So we will going to start the chapter Money and Credit, class 10th. So money as a medium of exchange. The use of money spends a very large part in our everyday life. इसका मतलब है कि अपने मनी का यूज अपनी एवरीडे लाइफ में वेरी लार्ज अपना बहुत बड़ा पार्ट बन गया है. Look you at Look you and you easily be able to identify several transactions involving money in any single day. तुम एक मनी से कुछ भी चीज खरीद सकते हो एक सिंगल डे में. कैन यू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ दीज? क्या तुम इसकी लिस्ट बना सकते हो? In many of these transaction goods are being bought and sold with the use of money. इसमें बहुत सारे ट्रांजेक्शन होते हैं जिसमें अपन गुड्स खरीदते हैं और कोई कस्टमर कंज्यूमर आके उसे मनी से उसे ले सकता है. इन सम ऑफ दिस ट्रांजेक्शन सर्विसेज आर बीन एक्सचेंज विद मनी. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे ट्रांजेक्शन होते हैं जो मनी के साथ एक्सचेंज होते हैं. फॉर सम ऑफ देयर माइट बी एनी actual transfer of money taking place now but promise to pay money later. और बहुत होता है जैसे क्रेडिट हुआ जिसमें अपन कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं फिर उसके उससे प्रॉमिस करके आते हैं कि अपन थोड़े दिनों बाद उसको मनी पे कर देंगे. हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड व्हाई ट्रांसलेशन आर मेड इन मनी? तुम कभी सोचा है तुमने कि ये ट्रांसलेशन हमेशा मनी से क्यों होता है? ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि पहले के ज़माने पे एक सिस्टम होता था, उसका अपन आगे पढ़ेंगे. उसमें क्या होता था, एक इंसान को जैसे किसी के पास सब्जी है तो और किसी के पास जूते चप्पल है. अब उसे जैसे जूते चप्पल वाले को सब्जी खरीदनी है तो उसका एक शूज़ उसे दे देगा और वो सब्जी वाले को जूता खरीदना है तो वो दोनों एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे. सो द रीजन इज सिंपल. अ पर्सन होल्डिंग मनी कैन इजीली एक्सचेंज इट. इसमें ये लिखा है, इसका रीज़न है कि पर्सन होल्डिंग मनी, किसी के पास मनी है तो उसे जैसे तो उसे जूते बेचने वाले को सब्जी की जगह मटके खरीदने हो तो वो मनी के ज़रिए मटके खरीद सकता है. और मटके खरीदने वाले को सब्जी खरीदनी हो तो वो उसे मनी दे के फिर मटके बनाने वाला और वेजिटेबल सेलर को मनी दे के उसकी नीड पूरी कर सकता है. इसलिए अपन मनी का यूज़ करते हैं. एक्सचेंज फॉर एनी कमोडिटी सर्विस दैट ही और शी माइट वांट. Thus everyone prefers to receive payment in money, then exchange of money for things that they want. Take the case of a shoe manufacturer. Shoe manufacturer का एग्जांपल लेते हैं अपन. He wants to sell shoes in the market and buy wheat. वो चाहता है कि उसके शूज़ मार्केट में सेल करे एंड वीट को बाय करे. The shoes manufacturer will exchange shoes that he has produced for money. वो शूज़ मैन्युफैक्चरर उसके शूज़ एक्सचेंज करेगा मनी के रूप में. Exchange shoes that he was produced money, then exchange the money for wheat. फिर वो wheat खरीद लेगा उससे. Imagine how much more difficult it would be. The shoe manufacturer had to directly exchange shoes for wheat without use of money. He would have to look for wheat growing farmer who not only wants to sell wheat but also wants to buy the shoes in exchange. That is the both partners have to agree to sell and buy each other's commodities. This is known as double coincidence of funds. What a person Desire to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. And barter system, where the goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, double coincidence of wants is an essential feature. ये मैंने आपको बताया था ना कि पुराने ज़माने में ये बार्टर सिस्टम चलता था. The inconstant in an economic where its money is in use. मतलब पुराने ज़माने में नहीं, in an economy where its money is in use, money by providing the convenient step the eliminates the need for double coincident bonds. It is no longer necessary for the shoe manufacturer to look for a farmer who will buy shoes at the same time and they sell him. जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था वैसे ये भी wheat all he has to do is buy find a buyer for his shoes. Once he has exchanged shoes for money, he can purchase wheat or any other commodity in the market. Since money acts as the immediate in exchange process, it is a medium of exchange. मनी क्या है? एक मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज है. So modern forms of money. We have seen that the money is something that can act as a medium of exchange and translation. Before the introduction of coins, a variety of objects has used as money. For example, since very earlier ages, Indian used grains and cattle as a money, and thereafter came to use metallic coins, gold, silver, copper coins, perhaps which continued well into the last country. Currency. Modern forms of money include currency, paper notes, and coins. जैसे अपने करेंसी को जैसे अपन ने ये नीचे गांधी जी का नोट दिया हुआ है 100 रुपये का. जैसे पहले तो अपने चलते थे गोल्ड के कॉइन, सिल्वर कॉइन और कॉपर के. पहले पर उनकी प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ करती थी, इसीलिए पुअर पीपलों के लिए थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी उसे बाय करने में. तो अभी मॉडर्न करेंसी है, पेपर है, और गवर्नमेंट को भी ऐसा नुकसान होता था ये बनाने में. मॉडर्न करेंसी में पेपर है, पेपर की ऐसे तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, पर अगर उसमें वो रिजर्व बैंक की सील लग जाती है तो उसकी बहुत वैल्यू होती है. So, unlike the things that were used as a money earlier, modern currency is not made of precious metal as gold, silver, and copper, and unlike grain as cattle, they are neither of everyday use. The modern currency is without any use of its own. Then why is it accepted as a medium of exchange? ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि इसे एक्सेप्ट किया गया मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज? It is accepted as a medium of exchange because the currency is authorized by the government of the country. इसे एक्सचेंज मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज इसलिए कहा गया क्योंकि इसे अब अपनी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कंट्री ने एक्सेप्ट किया. In India, the Reserve Bank of India issues currency notes on the behalf of central government. As per Indian law, no other individual or organization is allowed to issue currency. Moreover, the law legally the use of rupee as a medium of paying debt cannot be refused in setting transaction. In India, individual in India are legally refuse a payment made in rupees. Hence, the rupees is widely accepted as a medium of exchange. deposit deposits with bank. The other form the other form in which people hold money in as deposit with bank at a point of time. People need only some currency for their day-to-day needs. For instance, workers who receive their salary at the end of each month have extra cash at beginning of the month. What do people do with extra cash? They deposit it the banks by the opening a bank account in their name. Bank accept the deposit also pay an amount as an interest on the deposit. In this way, the people's money is safe with the bank and it earns an amount as interest. People also have provision to withdraw the money as when they required. Since the deposit in the bank accounts can be withdrawn on demand, these deposits are called demand deposit. Demand deposit offers an interest facility. It is the facility which lends it is essential characteristic of money that of medium of exchange you would have to hear the payment beginning made by the checks instead of cash for payment through the check. The payer who has an amount with the banks makes out a check for a specific amount. A check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to persons whose name is check has been issued. So this is an picture of check. You will see how the